Popular Nigerian businessman and music executive Emeka Okon, widely known as emoney, was recently arrested by operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) over alleged abuse of Naira and US dollars. The arrest reportedly took place in the late hours of Monday, April 28, 2025, at his residence in Omole, Lagos State, and sparked a wave of reactions across social media platforms. According to multiple reports, emoney's arrest stemmed from an alleged incident of spraying US dollars at the birthday party of fellow socialite Cubana, which EFCC sources claim violates the Foreign Exchange Act. Though he has since been released from custody after questioning. Reacting to the development, comic actor Okon, Lagos, expressed strong disapproval of the EFCC's move. He questioned the logic behind arresting someone for abusing the dollar in a country where the currency constantly devalues the Naira. He further urged the anti-graft agency to focus more on apprehending corrupt politicians who are responsible for the nation's economic instability. Also reacting, Cubana Chiefpriest, whose real name is Pascal Okechukwu, a close socialite of emoney, took to Instagram to express his outrage. In a passionate post, he alleged that the arrest was not just about the currency abuse, but part of a broader agenda to oppress prominent Igbo figures. "This is oppression," Chiefpriest wrote. His comment triggered a mix of reactions from celebrities and fans, some supporting his claims, while others questioned the political undertones of his post. The arrest of emoney comes shortly after EFCC arraigned singer Naira for similar currency-related offences. This wave of arrests has stirred fresh debate online. While some hail the EFCC's actions as a necessary step towards economic discipline, others see it as a politically motivated show of force targeting high-profile entertainers and businessmen. We'll continue to monitor the story for more new development. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.